Welcome to Review Rumble. The best LEGO AT-AT is probably one of the most iconic and impressive sets LEGO has ever released, a colossal 6,785-piece behemoth that brings the legendary Imperial walker from Star Wars to life in stunning detail, making it a must-have for any serious collector or dedicated fan of the galaxy far, far away. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe, recreated in stunning LEGO brick detail. This set is designed to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Unbox a fully buildable Central Perk studio, complete with all 6 main characters and Gunther. You'll find cool accessories perfect for recreating your favorite memorable scenes. This 1,070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's the perfect gift for any fan of Friends memorabilia. This set is fully compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. Feel free to create your own unique mashup models and tell your own stories. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office. What we like. If you're a huge fan of the 90s sitcom, this is the set for you. It perfectly recreates the iconic Central Perk coffee shop with all your favorite characters. If you love Friends and want a fun display piece, this is the one to get. What people say. The AT-AT Walker is a massive and incredibly detailed model, capturing the iconic design of the movie vehicle perfectly. The build process is challenging but rewarding, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces that make assembly enjoyable. Features like the opening cockpit, troop bay doors, and posable legs add a great deal of playability and display value to the set. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. Bring your favorite characters to life. This set includes minifigures of the Mandalorian, Grief Karga, Scout Trooper, and the Child, plus an IG-11 droid figure. Prepare for adventure with its dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod. It's ready for any mission. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Discover carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area inside. Recreate thrilling battles from the Mandalorian series. Use the included weapons to help the Child and the Mandalorian face off against enemies. This collectible set is the perfect gift for Star Wars fans aged 10 and up. Make their birthday or any day unforgettable with this amazing set. What we like. For fans of the Mandalorian, this Razor Crest model is a must-have. It comes with key characters and features like a detachable escape pod for exciting play scenarios. If you want to recreate epic moments from the show with Baby Yoda, this is your choice. What people say. The LEGO AT-AT 75313 is a massive and incredibly detailed model, perfect for adult fans of Star Wars. The build process is challenging but rewarding, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces. Features like the opening panels, posable legs, and interior details make it a highly displayable and interactive set. Number 3. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this incredible LEGO set. It features a detailed brick recreation of the glove, complete with the vibrant Infinity Stones. Capture the captivating style of the Avengers movies with this golden glove. Its movable fingers and vibrant colors make it a timeless display piece for any fan. This impressive homage to Marvel's Thanos features his iconic gauntlet. It includes a sturdy stand with a descriptive tablet, perfect for showcasing your build. Add an iconic piece to your office or home decor. This LEGO building set for adults is sure to be the center of attention and admiring comments. Looking for the perfect gift? This collectible makes a great present for any adult or teen model-making enthusiast, or a special treat for yourself. What we like. This is the ultimate display piece for any Marvel fan. The Infinity Gauntlet is instantly recognizable and features movable fingers for dynamic posing. If you're looking for a striking desk or shelf decoration that screams Avengers, this is it. What people say. The build was very enjoyable and the final model is spectacular. The detail on this set is incredible, from the opening cockpit to the posable legs. It's a massive set, but the modular design makes it manageable to build and display. Number 2. LEGO Star Wars AT-AT Walker 75288. Relive the epic moments of the iconic Star Wars series with this special 40th anniversary LEGO brick recreation of the legendary AT-AT Walker. Bring your battles to life with 6 included LEGO Star Wars minifigures, Luke Skywalker, General Veers, 2 AT-AT drivers, and 2 snowtroopers, all ready for action with their weapons. This impressive AT-AT figure features posable legs and a head, with an opening cockpit that can hold 3 minifigures. It also includes spring-loaded shooters for exciting play. Experience the action with fold-out panels, a speeder bike, a winch, and a bottom hatch. Imagine Luke Skywalker throwing in that thermal detonator element. This amazing set is perfect for display and makes a fantastic gift for any Star Wars fan aged 10 and up. It's sure to impress. What we like. Celebrate a Star Wars milestone with this classic AT-AT Walker. It's a detailed recreation with posable legs and a cockpit for multiple figures. If you're a fan of the original trilogy and want an impressive, playable model of a legendary vehicle, this is a great pick. What people say. The AT-AT Walker is a massive and incredibly detailed model, capturing the iconic design of the original vehicle. The build process is challenging but rewarding, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces. Features like the opening panels, posable legs, and interior detailing make it a fantastic display piece. Number 1. LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer 75252. Build and display the Devastator, a LEGO Star Wars Ultimate Collector Series model. This giant from Star Wars, A New Hope is a must-have for collectors. It includes a display stand, an informational fact plaque, and 2 Imperial minifigures with weapons. This makes it a truly authentic Galactic Civil War collector's item. This incredible set also features a buildable scale model of the Tantive 4. Fans will instantly recognize it from the opening scenes of the very first Star Wars movie. This amazing model offers a challenging building experience. It's a great holiday and birthday gift for serious LEGO brick and Star Wars fans aged 16 and up. This 4,784-piece collectible, complete with its display stand, measures over 17 inches high, 43 inches long, and 26 inches wide. In other words, it's huge. What we like. This is for the serious Star Wars collector. The Imperial Star Destroyer is enormous, incredibly detailed, and comes with a display stand and plaque. If you want the ultimate display model that will dominate your collection and showcase your fandom, this is the one. What people say. The AT-AT Walker is a massive and incredibly detailed model, perfect for display. The build process is challenging but rewarding, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces. Features like the opening panels and interior details make it a standout set for Star Wars fans. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.